Here, I am comparing light and dark mode on iPhone and iOS 26. You can see Safari app tabs and tab previews in light and dark mode. The left is a light mode preview, and the right is a dark mode preview. Now, have a look at the Messages app in dark mode and light mode. See how the conversation layout looks like this. The Settings app icon is a bit different in light and dark mode, which looks beautiful. It has an icon next to the option name and photos for comparison. The control center with an active icon is now clearer in light mode becuase of the dark blue active icon color. I hope Apple improves the For Control Center in the upcoming betas. Lock screen with depth effect looks elegant in both light and dark mode. As usual, you can use dark mode for battery saver tips. Compare reading experiences in different lighting conditions in both modes, especially in Safari, Notes, and Books. The Camera app has no significant difference between light and dark modes. Here's a quick preview of all icons with installed third-party apps on my iPhone. Please post your questions in the comment box. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.